Hi, I'm Dervin from Dig It Excavating, and we're here at Honor Credit Union's headquarters to install an ATU commercial septic system. An ATU is an advanced treatment unit that utilizes oxygen to process sewage faster than a traditional gravity septic system. If you want to know more about an ATU septic system, check out our other YouTube video about what is an ATU system. Honor Credit Union chose the advanced treatment system because they were too far away from the city sewer. There were heavy soils to work with on site, and we actually had limited land to work with for the system. And so with an advanced treatment system, we were able to process a lot of sewage in a smaller area. We began by installing the tanks from Aerotech, built in Plymouth, Indiana. We're authorized distributors and installers and maintenance providers for this type of a system. The sewage leaves the building and enters trash tanks. From the trash tank, it moves into a surge tank, which is connected to a dosing tank. As you have heavy use, the surge tanks and dosing tanks fill up, but all during that time you have small doses going into the ATU tanks. This eliminates large amounts of sewage from just dumping into the ATU tanks all at once. Once the sewage reaches the ATU tanks, this is where the process of cleaning the liquid happens. We use oxygen to generate bacteria action, and when the water leaves these tanks, it's virtually clear looking. But once the sewage leaves the ATU tanks, it's trenched up to a final dosing tank that then alternates between the two sand mounds. The final part of the septic system is the sand mounds, and so we began stripping topsoil for these. After the topsoil was stripped, then we started hauling in coarse washed sand for a 3-foot base for under the dispersal area. On top of the sand mounds, then we trenched in 4 laterals where the liquids would be pressure dosed into the sand mound and evaporate. We finished the job up by spreading the topsoil back over everything and Harley raking a final grade. Thanks for watching, and give us a call for all your commercial or residential septic installation or maintenance needs.